Okay, we're walking back out into this storm. We're right in the prime of it now. News says we've already got about 19 inches of snow on the ground. You can barely see a block away. This is terrible. We've shoveled the sidewalk twice now. This is definitely worse than the last storm. There's some people down the street there, you can barely see them. They're only about a block away. Remember, this was shoveled earlier. So we're going to walk around. Again, the news says that we've got about 19 inches of new snow again. But you can't really tell because it blows so much. We'll walk down here into the opening and see the blow a bit more here. The storm just keeps spinning. Look carefully. See if I can zoom in here in the gloves. There. You can see the wind is picking the snow up and moving it. It's vicious. The sound of the traffic on the Beltway has kind of disappeared now. Oh, it turn around into that wind. Let's see how far we can tolerate walking up the street here. My dad has the dog out for a walk here. Here comes a strong gust. Oh. You can see my dad just disappeared there on the street. Oh my God. Clear the lens again. Some birds trying to fly in this, they need to try and find some food, and it's almost impossible for them. My face is burning. There's Spanky. Hi, Spanky. Spanky not even going to bother to say hello. He's cold. Yeah. And see the size of the snowdrifts that are forming here. Oh, another gust. This one's stronger than the last. Holy crap! Oh my God! I need to try and make it back inside. This is dangerous. That was incredible. And just that way, the wind disappears again. This is unbelievable. This was down to pavement earlier, and it's gone. This is a bush, flat. Our sidewalk's actually been fairly easy to keep clear because these huge snowbanks have been protecting it from the wind. See more snow sticking to the house. Another strong gust is coming. It's like the wind's coming from all directions. The snow stings the face. You see, there's the neighbor's porch. Alright, time to go back in. It's cold. So I'm saying goodbye again. I'll keep you updated.